First line almost complete. PC checking also done. Already ordered other 7 pieces. They are almost also done. Second line, third line, fourth line almost done with the main device. And station numbers 5 and 6, except main device, everything is done. And the last 2 new device, station number 7 and 8, main device just fitting is complete, others all work is painting. Also here have this type of here 1 2 3 4 parts not fitting. Station number 7, this is the station number 7. Here 2 parts is painting.